I will run, I will climb.
Children, good morning. Last class we discussed about animal movements, days to remember, then the next one life cycle of a tree, isn't it? So today take page number 16 in your GK book. Take page number 16 in your GK book. This is your GK book. Take page number 16 in your GK book. Okay. So in this shapes and patterns. Shapes and patterns. Read the question. Circle the shape that matches the one given in the first column. Once again, circle the shape that matches the one given in the first column. So children, listen. What are the shapes? What are the shapes? Yes, triangle, cuboid, rectangle, cuboid, pentagon, hexagon. These are the some of the shapes. Okay. See first here, what is this triangle? Okay. This is a triangle. First you find the picture or diagram matches with this picture. Once again, circle the shape that matches the one given in the first column. Here one triangle is here. So you match the picture with this triangle. So what's the answer? So this is the answer, isn't it? This picture and this picture matches. See the next one. Which one? This one not matching, this one not matching, this one. Then what's the second one? Answer. This one is the answer. Coming to the third. Pentagon. Is this equal? No. This one? Yes. So do you understand the question? Circle the shape that matches the one given in the first column. So in the first column they have given the pictures. It's our responsibility to choose the correct pictures. That means same pictures from the second column. So the fourth one is cuboid. Check with first A, no, B, no, C, yes. So round circle it. Then the fifth one, check with A, B, no, C, no. So what's the answer? D. Okay. So the first one answer is C, second one is D, third one is B, fourth one is C, and the fifth one is D. Over. So coming to the next, draw lines to match the two columns to make complete circles. This also same. In this you have to draw the lines. No need to circle. See first question you match with the first one, no. You try with the second one, no. Or third one, yes. So draw a line from the 1 to C. Okay. Then 2. Then you draw a circle from the, you check with A, B, no, C, no, over, C, over. So D, yes. So you draw a line from 2 to D. Join the circle. Semicircle, full circle. In the first column, semicircle is given. The second column, the next semicircle is given. We have to combine both the circles to form the complete circle. Then third one, you check with the first one, no, second one, no, third one over, fourth one over E. So, and this one. So draw a line from 3 to E. The next one, fourth one, see. Fourth one, you check with the A. So C, D, E over. Only two of them are remaining. What are the things? A and B. You check with A, no. You check with B, yes. Okay, right. Then only one remaining. So you draw a line from 5 to A. Okay, so first one answer 1 to C, 2 to B, 3 to E, 4 to A, 5 to A. So this shapes and patterns over. So this only the main thing is match the pictures with the respective columns to the next columns. See the next one. So if we combine this, it will give the full circle. So next one, take page number 17. Here, how we travel. How we travel. So read the question, choose the correct vehicles using the picture clues and complete the sentence. So what is the travel? Moving from one place to another is called travel. Moving from one place to another. Why we are moving? Why we are moving from one place to another? To our basic needs. Okay. So how we are moving? Suppose if you want to go from Karangal to Martanda, for example. So some of them use bike, some of them use car, and some of them use bus, isn't it? Say, listen, how many types of modes of transport you know? How many modes of transport? Land transport, that is road transport, air transport, and water transport. Say 3: road transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport is the road transport means while we are traveling through the road, what are the vehicles? Bus, car, bike. Okay, these are the land. Then water transport means ship, boat, ferry. These are the water transport. Then the last one is air transport means helicopter, aeroplane, space shuttle, rocket. These are the air transport. Okay. So see the first one, this is aeroplane. As you know, this is an air transport. It also will move from one place to another. The second one is school bus. Third one ferry. Fourth one bicycle. Next one ship, space shuttle, and sledge. Once again, sledge, space shuttle, ship, bicycle, ferry, school bus, aeroplane. So choose the correct vehicles using the picture clues and complete the sentence. We read the first question means, so when the question they have asked something, we have to choose the correct means of transport, the correct vehicles to match. Okay, when we go on a class picnic, we take them, choose the correct answer aeroplane, school bus, ferry, bicycle. So when we are going on a class picnic means we take the school bus. So you write SCHOOLBUS. Okay. SCHOOLBUS. The first one answer is school bus. Second one, dash can take us to the moon. So the second one answer is space shuttle. SPACESHUTTLE. SPACESHUTTLE space shuttle. It's the second one. Then the third one, riding a bus gives us good exercise. Third one answer is bicycle. BICYCLE, bicycle. The fourth one, dash takes us across a river. So across a river means ferry. Okay, this is ferry. So across the sea means where answer is ship. Suppose the question they are asking, across the river means what's your answer? Ferry. So you write AFERRY. Okay. What's the fourth question answer? Ferry. Then moving to the fifth one, we sail across an ocean. So listen first if you are crossing across a river means your answer is ferry. We sail across an ocean means your answer is ship. Okay. So the fourth one answer is ferry, the fifth one is ship. Then the sixth one, flying on a bus is a quick way to travel from one country to another. Which one aeroplane. Okay. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. AEROPLA, aeroplane. A bus takes us across ice and snow. Which one? Which is the correct answer? Sled. SLEDG, sled. So once I am repeating, listen, when we go on a class picnic, we take the school bus. The second one, a space shuttle can take us to the moon. Riding a bicycle gives us good exercise. A ferry takes us across a river. We sail across an ocean on a ship. Flying on an aeroplane is a quick way to travel from one country to another. The last one is the sledge takes us across ice and snow. So this lesson 17 also over. Then take the next page, page number 18. So 18 words wise. So this is your assignment. Okay, I will read this. How many words can you make the word hippopotamus? Here are some picture clues to help you get started. Write your answers in the blank space provided on the hippo. So this is assignment, GK assignment for you. Okay. See here, from this word hippopotamus, we have to make these words. These are the some clues. So you write here the answer. Okay. So see, for first one is hat, isn't it? So where is H? A-T, hat. Okay, so this is the clue. By seeing the picture, you can easily or find the answers. Okay, so how many words can make the word hippopotamus? So by combining this, suppose next one, see mat, M-A-T, mat. So if it is, then the next one sheep, S-H-IP. Okay, this is your assignment. You complete it. From the word hippopotamus, you make 5 or 6 words and write here. So here are some of the clues. Okay, so this is your assignment. Complete it. Okay, so GK assignment. Then see the next page. Use the clues given below to get a word ending in "and", then fill in the missing letters to complete the word. Use the clues given below to get a word ending in "and", then fill in the missing letters to complete the word. See here, the first one, a green ant. What's the answer? Plant. Okay. So what means use the clues gives below to get a word ending in "and", then fill in the missing letters to complete the word. With the word ending in "and", okay, see all the words is ending in "and", isn't it? And. So by seeing the question or by reading the question, you find the correct answer. Okay, a huge ant. What's the answer, ma? Gained. A huge ant. What's your answer? Gained. Then an ant with a trunk. So trunk means already you know, elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Then fourth one, an ant with a menu. What's your answer? Restaurant. RESTUARANT. Restaurant. RESTUARANT. Restaurant. The fifth one is clever ant. Clever ant means brilliant. 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 A clever ant is what's meaning? Brilliant. Then the sixth one, a main or chief ant. Important. IOMPORTANT. Important. The seventh one, an helper ant. Helper ant means assistant. 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 Okay. Then the eighth one, an ant who buys and sells things. Merchant. 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 The ninth one, a nice and friendly ant. PLEASANT. Pleasant. So the first one, listen ma. A green ant is plant. Green ant. A huge ant, gained. An ant with a trunk, elephant. An ant with a menu, restaurant. A clever ant, brilliant. A main or chef ant, important. A helper ant, assistant. An ant who buys and sells things, merchant. Then the nice and the friendly and pleasant. Okay. So listen. A green ant, plant. So the answers, if it ends with ant also, the meanings differ. Okay. According to the question, you have to choose and write. Okay. So complete it. Okay, before next class you complete all the things. Okay, okay students, bye.